So, Bengal Tourism, our tagline is the sweetest part of India. I'd like to know your thoughts on that. And I'd also like to know your thoughts, your take on the association between Bengal Tourism and Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, first, I really think, when they told me about the campaign and the way it is going to the sweetest part of India, I don't think there is a better way to describe Bengal. Uh, and I hope people don't take it wrongly. I think it genuinely is the sweetest part of India. The other part of it is I don't have a sweet tooth. I don't eat desserts ever. But the only time I eat desserts is when I'm in Bengal or Kolkata. The other time I was here with Kajol about a month back, and then I took the gur from here. And new sweets here. Though I'm a Delhiite and I know, there are jalebis and there are gulab jamuns, but what you get here is really, really amazing. Uh, and I know the culture, the literature, everything fantastic. And everyone knows that, so I can't keep on tom-tomming about that. And I'm not saying this because I'm the brand ambassador. I'm saying the people here, that's something that you experience. And I've grown up now. I came here when I was like 42, I'm 50 now. But the way people are here, that part is really sweet. So I think the campaign being called the sweetest part of India is just absolutely a perfect fit. And, if they'd said the literature center of India, the cultural heritage of India, all that would fit too. But I think the sweetest part of India suits is the best. I'm really happy. It brings a smile to your face. And I think the way the film is also being done, inshallah, it'll bring a smile to everybody's faces. And as far as my association goes, I've said enough, but I can't ever say enough. I really believe the city of Kolkata, the state of Bengal, they've adopted me, my people, and the kind of happiness I get here. I get off, I judge a city's love by the airports, wherever I go. And I travel all the world. And I get off in Kolkata and I feel, यहाँ कुछ भी गलत नहीं हो सकता. बहुत भीड़ होगी, बहुत चिल्लम चिल्ली होगी, बहुत शोर शराबा होगा, बहुत खुशी होगी. कभी कभी जो हम खेलते हैं उसमें हार भी होगी, जीत भी होगी. लेकिन मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि ये सिटी सब कुछ संभाल लेगी, बंगाल सब कुछ संभाल लेगा. So I'm just extremely honored. I'm extremely flattered and extremely grateful that I've been given this opportunity. And I hope somewhere down the line, me being part of, in any which way being part of, the brand ambassador, perhaps will help the state and city less than the city and state has helped me become a better person. I'll be honest. It just makes me feel, I cherish this. I've done a lot of work in films. I do a lot of ads. But this one is the most cherishable of things that I've ever done in my life. So I thank Bengal. I thank the people of Bengal. Of course, Mamta Di, who's really, really sweet. And everyone, I get to eat fish, which I never used to eat. I get desserts here. The people here, I think I'm extremely grateful for the state to consider me good enough to be the brand ambassador. And I wish it the best. And I hope through these little bits and pieces that your team and I'm trying to create and trying to present the best foot forward for Bengal will really make sure that the rest of the world comes and sees. Not just Indians. Indians know about Bengal. But I think the world should come and experience Bengal, the sweetest part of India.
And today you sang a Bengali song. This is the first time that you sang Bengali?
I had the audacity to try it once in Devdas.
Right.
And yeah, a little bit. But let me remember the words. How does it go? I mean, one second, I've got it written. I'm gonna try and do it just now.
Okay.
Because I'm very proud. Because last time I tried in Devdas, I was like really, really scared. It's a classic and I could easily mess it up and I'm really bad. But I've promised Bengal that I'm going to learn Bengali and next speech I give will be in, so yeah. Ami chini go chini tomare, o go bideshini. Very, very bad, but I'm trying. I'll get right.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you everyone. Thank you.